comment, like, subscribe. Here I have my seasoned chicken, and I'm going to show you how I burn curry to make a curry chicken. Today I'm going to burn some curry powder. Here is the curry powder. I have some oil in this pot right here. It's getting hot. I'm going to add the curry. Let's mix it a little so that it will go. The oil will cover it. Now it's sizzled to a nice rich brown color. Now you can add your chicken. See how nice the curry looks, watch. It's similar to how you do brown sugar. Actually, they kind of like the same. Now I'm going to cover the pot and let it stew for about 5 minutes. I'll be back in 5 minutes just to check to see what it looks like. Back after 10 minutes. And this is what it looks like. Let's turn it. So as you can see, guys, I've not even added water to it. See how nice it looks. Let's see, it's stewing real good. It has its own water. Now let me add some of the fresh seasoning to it. The seasoned peppers, onions, and garlic. Mix them up. Cover it up. 5 more minutes. In the meantime, I'm just going to peel some potatoes to put in the curry chicken. So let me finish and cut in the potatoes and I'll add it to it. I'll come back and show you how I add it. This is the remaining stuff I'm going to put in the curry chicken. So this is Maggi cube, 2 bay leaves. See this? Cloves and the potatoes. Okay, let's go check the pot. So now I'm at the pot now. Let's see what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Looking good. Now I'm going to taste it to see. So I've still not added water to this. It makes its own water. Okay, so it does not have enough salt. So now I'm going to add this Maggi cube, the bay leaves, the cloves. Not too much cloves. Some people don't like the taste of cloves. And of course, the potatoes. Well, I'm going to add water to make the gravy, so I'm just going to add some water to it. Now, I'm going to let this thing cook for 20 minutes so the potatoes could be cooked. So let's cover it up. I'll be back in 20 minutes. 20 minutes is up. Let's see what it looks like. And I know it should be cooked. I just wanted the potatoes to cook too. So the potatoes are cooked. As you could see, they're cooked. Yeah. So this is the curry chicken. It's cooked. Let's taste it. Ooh. Nice flavor. It's very good. Yummy. Okay guys, this is it. Curry chicken. That's the curry chicken, guys. This is what I served it with. Parsley rice and salt. Guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please feel free to leave a comment and share with your friends and family. See you on my next video. Bye now.